Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a full workout with only battle ropes. So starting out with this battle rope workout, we're going to have alternate waves and then a push-up power slam combo. For our alternate waves, we're going to have our feet shoulder width apart, butt slightly back, and then now we're going to go one arm at a time, kind of whipping the rope down, not pulling the rope back, right? So it's going to look like this. And then now after we do 30 seconds of that, we're going to hop right into the push-up power slam combo. So that you're going to drop down, push up, hop up, power slam, drop down, push up. Now for our second group of exercises, we're going to have the alternate waves reverse lunges, rotational slams, and hop waves. So for our alternate wave reverse lunge, start out in our alternate wave. From here, step back into a reverse lunge and back up. And then from here, rotational slam, turn over. We're going to grab the handle like this, start off to the side, our hips slightly this way, both of our feet this way, bring the battle rope up, over, and down. Now from here, my hips are facing this way, my feet are facing this way, and I'm going to bring it back. Now for our hop wave, we're going to get in a good athletic stance. We're going to use both hands at the same time, like this, but also hop. So we're going to hop in and then hop back out. So hop in, hop back out, hop in, hop back out. Now for our last group of exercises, we're going to have battle rope circles, in and out waves, and Russian twists. So for the in and out, or for the battle rope circles, same starting stance, that good athletic stance, feet shoulder width apart. Our hands are going to go out, up and around. We're going to try to get these battle ropes, each one of them do a circle, just like this. And then now for in and out waves, our hands are going to go out from in, right back to out. We're going to swing the battle rope. One goes under the other, one goes over the other. So starting from here, out and back in. Now drop down to those Russian twists. Switch to the grip like this for the Russian twist. From here, come over and back. Thanks for trying out our battle rope workout. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share the battle rope workout. Throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.